Hey guys, it's Brooklyn Rain, or Nails by Rain on Instagram, and in this video I'll be showing you how to achieve this pink spooky nails using our Pump Up pre-shaped pre-colored nail tips. Stay tuned! So I already prepped off camera using our dehydrator, our primer, and our prep in one. And so now we're going to start with our Frenchies on our thumb and our pinky. This is going to be creating a little stitch along the smile line. And then I'm just running my brush along the sides so that way we can clean it up before we cure it. Now using my black polish and the same liner brush, I'm going to be lining the smile line of our French tip to start our design. And while it's wet, we are going to be adding our stitches just along the black line that we've created. So just making little lines like this. Okay, now using my white polish, we're going to be starting our ring finger, which is going to be a heart spiderweb. It's literally so cute and it's not your average spiderweb. So first, you're going to start off by making a heart in the center. I like to slant my heart so that way the spiderweb gives more dimension. Starting with the bottom, we're going to make 2 lines. And then we're going to make another side, like so. And then you're just going to connect all of your lines. First, we're going to start in the center of the heart. And we're just going to draw a line going straight up. Go to the corner of the heart. Do the same thing. Same thing to the other corner. And then you're going to make 2 on the bottom. And finally, 1 straight down the center. Okay, now we're going to be creating the actual webs of the spider web. So you're going to be starting at the bottom. And I like to do a little U or half rainbow. And you're just going to do that to the rest of the stripes. Okay, so now we're going to be doing some little ghosties on this snail. But we want to make it a little glitter ombre to make it pop a little bit, since the ghosts are a little bit plain. Okay, now it's time to draw our little ghost friends. So we're going to be using the bottom of our dotting tool. And we're going to be making 2 big circles, one at the top and then one at the bottom right here. Now we're going to be using our liner brush to create the body of our ghosts. And we're going to do the same thing to the second dot. Now we're going to be creating our faces for our ghosts. We're going to be creating 2 eyes and a mouth. Now we're going to be creating a scream on the middle finger. So what I like to do is grab some black polish and basically outline the scream first, creating the mask part of the face inside of the black that we created. Now to make the face on the scream, you're going to be using a dotting tool. We're going to start off with the mouth, then you're going to be using the same dotting tool to make your eyes, and you're going to be creating 2 swoops, like so. You're going to be making the nose. You're going to be creating 2 dots, drag that upwards. Now using the same dotting tool that we used for the nose, we're going to be dipping it into our pink and creating 2 little dots, not too close to each other because this is going to be the heart for our tongue. Now we're just going to top our design off with our glossy top coat. Now we're just going to finish our look with some cuticle oil. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to recreate and tag me at Nails by Rain and to shop any of these products at Makartt.com. Bye! Happy spooky season!